To get started, I'd like to talk about what Classcraft actually is. Classcraft is a game-based resource that transports students into a fantasy universe. It is looking to increase student engagement, help teachers with classroom behavior management, and occasionally serve as a learning management solution. I know that sounds like a whole lot, but basically it translates to being a way to get students excited about learning while allowing you to track behavior data all in one place. And before you ask, yes, you can absolutely share this information with parents and families. For those of you that are familiar with Class Dojo, there are certain similar elements, but this is definitely geared to students who are a little older or are ready for a more mature next step. I find that my middle school students sometimes perceive Class Dojo as a little elementary and they think they're too old for it. The stunning visuals and the high-tech gear in Classcraft tend to appeal to them, especially since it parallels a lot of what they're seeing at home in the video games that they're playing. Students essentially create characters in the game, and the game has definite fantasy leanings, so there are elements of magic and teleportation and travel to mythological lands. The actions and decisions of students in real life impact the strength and the powers of the character in the game and vice versa. As the student's character grows stronger, which is controlled by student behaviors and successful completion of academic tasks, they can unlock new powers and gear.